So I was introduced to MASSOLIT during lockdown actually, which was an amazing resource for our students to be independently learning in a way that appealed to kind of multiple different styles of learning. It was really accessible for them to connect to at home as well. It wasn't a difficult decision at all. We had a trial and we realised straight away that it was so useful for our pupils. They really engaged with it and we could build it into our lessons as well when we were back in the classroom. The students are very enthusiastic about MASSOLIT. Professor McRae in particular is a favourite character. He has been really valuable in supporting our teaching of Jekyll and Hyde and Spectacles and Macbeth, and it's introduced our A-level students to a range of university-style lectures where they can enhance their independent note-making skills and enhance their critical reading, which is one of the key assessment objectives for English literature. Yes, I would say that MASSOLIT really improves their wider reading, their critical reading, which we see in their essays and the final product in their A-level results. I would recommend MASSOLIT to all schools, teachers and pupils because of how accessible it is, how visual it is, and it's something that pupils can really go through at their own pace, so they can pause for note making. Brilliant if they've been away and they need a refresher that's easy for them to access at home, and it's a way of recapping what the teacher's gone through in the lesson. You know, I will teach the lesson and then MASSOLIT gives a pithy summary of the vital points to just reinforce those learning objectives.